Hello kids, let's learn how to draw a birthday cake. Draw with me kids. Great! Now I'm going to draw two cute hearts. Now it's time to draw two candles. Great! Our cake picture is ready. Now I'm going to color my picture. Red color, orange color, pink color, light green color, yellow color, purple color, sky blue color. Wow! Our cake is looking so colorful. Now I'm going to choose light pink color. Sea green color. Blue color for hearts. Yellow color. Orange color. Great! Great! Now I'm going to use some glitter for our hearts. Now I'm going to sprinkle some glitter in hearts. Great! Our picture is ready. Our birthday cake is ready. Now I'm going to add some detailings. Kids, if you like the video, do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.